Hello, everybody. My name is Will Engel, and today I'm going to be running you guys through my online presentation of the book from my book from this semester, which is Life of Pi by Yann Martel. Now, it's important to realize that from this book, the main message of this book are the incredible symbolizations that occur when the author wrote a tri-layered story and used the fundamental themes of and fantastic elements of religion to drive the message of this story. Now, at the beginning of my online presentation, it starts out with a book summary, and below, as you'll read in the green text, is my thesis, which states that in Life of Pi, Yann Martel was able to utilize multiple facets of religion in a tri-layered fictional story to blur the lines between fantasy and reality. And then from there, it proceeds to I provided two videos. One was my own personal book summary that we did previous in the semester, and the Life of Pi official trailer, which was a very good representation of the book. It was very well directed. And then if you follow down further on the page, it comes to my major points of the project, which include the religious aspects of the book, the four religions that Pi used, the chaotic element, the desperation, and the mental and spiritual place that the author was when he wrote the book. And then, as a little bit of a fun part at the end, I included some activities. There's three of them, some photographs and art done, just to give you an idea of how the book was and what the symbols meant and everything. And then I provided you with my sources. So please enjoy, and let me know if you have any questions or anything else you want me to say. So thank you very much. Have a great day.